Damn, Thorn. I would at least close your eyes.
Who's Angel?
Oh, your hair. Oh, shit. That shit burnt?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Alright, let me fucking dance. I'm like fucking Thriller and shit. Nah, it's gonna suck, Javier. Did you burn you?
Did you no? Oh, did you get it all?
Yeah.
Is stuff coming?
Dude, I didn't even know. I'm like, where did it go? I'm like,
It almost got me, dude.
Oh, you didn't get your stop recording it?
No, I stopped recording just now.
Did you get that at least?
Did you get all of it?
At least the whole, dude, that thing almost hit me. It literally right here. Right next to me.
Did you get all the action?
I hope, because that shit fucking scared me. It literally went right next
Did it
to
hurt
me.
you?
No, it didn't get me at all. It just flew
That's
off.
good. That's a knuckle sandwich. That's a brush, alright.
Oh.